Okay, hello.
Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cache County in northern Utah, northeastern Elder County in northern Utah until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clarkson, Oregon, 14 miles south of Malad, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Landspouts possible. Source, moving indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind 50 miles from sighting. Entries. Location. Landspouts possible. Clarkson, Plymouth, Portage, and Washakie. This includes hail damage to 30-mile markers 391 and 400. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall during the storm can make lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Conditions are favorable for the development of weak, funnel clouds.
Ooh.
This type of funnel cloud is harmless, but on rare occasions they can briefly touch down, producing wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. If a funnel cloud is spotted, move indoors and report your sighting to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties: Elder, Utah. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cache County in northern Utah, northeastern Elder County in northern Utah until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Service can Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Cache County in northern Utah, northeastern Elder County in northern Utah until 4:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 4:07 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time,
Continuing with the
60 miles per hour wind gusts and
Oh, this is about.
landspouts possible. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations affected include Clarkson, Plymouth, Portage. This includes Interstate 15 between mile markers 1 and 400. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Torrential rainfall occurring with this storm can may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Conditions are favorable for the development of weak, brief funnel clouds. Size type of funnel cloud is harmless, but on rare occasions they can briefly touch down, producing wind gusts over 50 miles per hour. If a funnel cloud is spotted, move indoors and report your sighting to the National Weather Service. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m.